and in this video I'm going to unbox a very interesting thing, which is a telescope. So before unboxing this, I will give you some information about the telescope. So as you guys know, that telescope is an instrument used to see distant objects, and it is a very important tool in the subject of astronomy or in the subject of space. And many people think that the first telescope was invented by Galileo, but it's wrong. The first telescope was invented by Hans Lavoisier. He was a German and he invented that for military purposes. So now let's open this. This telescope is made by Dr. Maddy. So, as you can see, many things are littering here. So first I will go with this. This is known as the vertical adjustment rod. Its work is to move the telescope up and down. So I'll keep it aside. Then I will go with this. This is known as the yoke, and its work is to move the telescope 360 degree. You can see it can move 360 degree. Here. Then I will go with these. These are known as the tripods, and it is very important to make our telescope stand straight. So there are 3 number. That is why they are known as the tripod. Same. So now I'll go with this. This is known as a finder scope. It is very important part in this telescope, and its work is to find the celestial bodies, the object which we are seeing, and aim in them. And so it's really important. So now I'll go with these. These are the lenses. As you can see, it's 20mm. This is the 4mm one, and this is the 12.5mm one. So now I'll go with this. This is known as the diagonal mirror. It is used to view the celestial bodies or the objects we are seeing in a straight manner. So it is also really important. I'll go with this. This is not much important. It is the stand of these lenses. As you can see. I'll keep them aside. Now we'll go with these. These are the bigger lenses, and its work is to magnify the sight of these lenses 3 times. So you can see it's known as Barlow lens. It's to 10. This is known as the erecting eyepiece. It's also a bigger lens. Now I will go with the main telescope. So as you can see, it's written Dr. Maddy. This is the case. You're thinking, what is this? This is known as the focuser. It focuses the object that you are seeing. That's the sound of my phone. So it's really nice. And here a warning given that don't see the sun with this telescope because it will burn your eyes. So we are done. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification. And if you want me to show how this telescope works and how to set up this, then comment down below. Bye.